From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
Scattered showers and thunderstorms from the afternoon coming to an end now as we head into the overnight hours. Temperature dropping out of the 70s into the 60s and getting down to the lower 60s for most of us for morning lows. Notice we're mostly sunny to go through our Saturday here, getting up to 80 in the lower 80s as early as 9 to 10 a.m. We're headed probably for most of us, at least briefly, toward the lower 90s for daytime highs as we head into our Saturday afternoon. Futurecast showing us becoming mostly clear overnight, starting in the low to mid 60s to begin our Saturday through the 70s into the 80s by midday. Maybe a pop-up shower here and there, but the overwhelming vast majority of us staying dry for Saturday. Just don't be surprised if there's a short-lived stray shower or a thunderstorm out there in the afternoon. Daytime highs mostly in the upper 80s, lower 90s. I think the vast majority of us hit 90, 91 at least briefly in the afternoon. A few of us may be a few degrees warmer than that, into the mid-90s in a few spots over North Alabama possible. As we head into the evening, mostly clear to partly cloudy skies, falling back into the 80s and then the 70s and then the 60s for overnight lows once again. And then partly cloudy on Sunday with isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. More of the same for Monday and Tuesday and most every day next week, with daytime highs next week generally in the mid to upper 80s after we get into the lower 90s this weekend. Definitely feeling like the first bit of summer out there. Tropical storm Arlene formed earlier this afternoon. You see the disturbance in the central Gulf moving southward, and it is on borrowed time. The afternoon advisory had winds at 40 miles per hour. We get a new update at 10 p.m. after the recording time of this video. So this is based on the latest information I have. The next update comes out after this video was recorded, but it's moving southeast at 7 miles per hour. It will weaken overnight and into Saturday as it encounters increasingly strong subtropical jet stream winds that will pretty much rip it apart with a wind shear. So not expecting a big system. It's actually going to be weakening as it moves southward over the next 24 hours. But this is the start of the hurricane season. We'll watch things carefully in the months ahead. First cut forecast: if you wake up early enough like this on a Saturday morning, you're a better person than I am. But if you're up, lower 60s to start the day. Mostly clear skies to begin our Saturday, and then warming well up into the lower 90s as we head to the afternoon, mostly sunny. But you do see that 20% chance on there, even though I don't have the thunderstorm icons. That's because I'm not brave enough to make the rain chance completely zero, because we're going to be in the low to mid 90s tomorrow, and there's not a big heat ridge overhead, so I don't trust it to be completely dry for every single person out there tomorrow. So I do want to flag that there is a chance of a stray shower or a thunderstorm, even though you're probably not going to see it. As we head into Sunday, still near 90, scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening, and then just daily isolated early summertime type thunderstorm chances each day next week, with daytime highs generally between 85 and 90. That's the Luke's latest 7-day forecast. Brian Wilson has you covered through the weekend with all your latest local weather.